dancing side by side. From A to Z, come sing along. Let's learn the letters with a happy song. A is for alligator, snapping with a smile. B is for bear, who dances in style. C is for cat, who climbs a big tree. D is for dog, who's digging happily. Yeah. E is for elephant, stomping all around. F is for frog, hopping up and down. G is for giraffe, stretching so high. H is for hippo, splashing nearby. Come on and sing the ABCs with animal friends in jungles and seas. They jump, they crawl, they fly so free. Let's all sing the ABC. I is for iguana, basking in the sun. J is for jaguar, ready to run. K is for kangaroo, bouncing all day. L is for lion, leading the way. M is for monkey, swinging from a vine. N is for newt, with eyes that shine. O is for owl, awake at night. P is for penguin, waddling. Come on and sing the ABCs with animal friends in jungles and seas. They jump, they crawl, they fly so free. Let's all sing the ABC. Q is for quail, so quiet and quick. R is for rabbit, hopping with a trick. S is for snake, who slithers on the ground. T is for tiger, making a growling sound. U is for urial, with curly horns. V is for vulture, flying at dawn. W is for whale, singing in the sea. X is for cirrus, munching happily. Y is for yak, with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra, tiny and rare. We sing and dance from A to Z, with animals wild and animals free. Letters and creatures, what a team. Let's sing again in your ABC dream. Bye bye alligator, bear and the rest. You need learning letters, the absolute best. They jump, they crawl, they jump fast.